All right, well, today's my lucky day. These are the stands that I've been waiting for to own for myself for the longest time. They are called C-stands. When I worked in television, a while back, I loved having these stands on hand. I was a camera assistant, so I had to use these stands for all sorts of purposes, mainly to put lights on, but because they're so heavy duty, and if you put a sandbag on the bottom to weight it down, they're really difficult to push over, and you can have, pretty much I'll show you later, but there's the stand itself, and then you can have the arm that attaches to the stand that can give you the ability to extend or reach out your light further over, as opposed to just a light stand that goes straight up and down. This one has another arm at the top that goes all the way out, and you can put whatever on there. You can put a scrim, you can put a light, you can put a dongle, whatever you like on there, and they're super effective. Oh yeah, of course, as I said in my last video, this is a brand that I've really come to depend on. It's Newer. They've got affordable stands. Actually, these two stands, each stand is about $150 each. But if you order two, you get $150. If you order just one, you have to pay $200. So Newer is really affordable. I mean, if you compare this to like a Matthews C-stand, which is an official C-stand of like a TV set or a film set, those can range in, I don't even know, they're very expensive. So these are affordable, and hopefully the quality is good, which I've seen on YouTube reviews. They said that it's pretty good quality. So let's keep going. Okay, so the first part of the stand is here. This is the main part of the stand. It goes up and down. It's nicely wrapped in bubble wrap here. Maybe I gotta cut this off. So this is it right here, and I've never had a C-stand that has a grip on it. It's kind of like a foam, a neoprene grip, and that might come in handy when I'm trying to grip it or hold it. I remember before I just had to rely on my hands, the stickiness of my hands to hold and the grip to hold the stand, but this might be beneficial. So, whoa, I just untightened the first lock and this thing just sprang out. Bam! So, as they said in the description online, it's a spring-loaded C-stand. So what is awesome about a spring-loaded C-stand is if you put your hand right in between, so I can show you guys, if you put your hand in between and you let it drop, you could potentially damage your hand really badly. Fortunately, I never had that happen to me on set when I was working, but because it has the spring load here, it's not going to smash into your hand. So that's a really nice feature. We also got here, whoa, another spring-loaded. They're both spring-loaded, I love it. I'm gonna tighten that one and then this one here. Okay, so the action of these, of the post that comes out, so this action right here is actually really good. There's no kind of bad friction, it's all very smooth. Yeah, I'm liking that so far. Up here you can put your light. This is a regular light stand, for a regular light stand. Okay, so there you go. That's the first part unboxed. Now, let's see what else we got here. All right, cool. So this is the foot or the feet. This is the base of the stand. And you have three different little legs that come out in order to support the stand. So right here they have one screw or one joint, and then you can loosen that up, and then that allows you to open up your stand into like this here. So you have this, and then you have the base right over here. Oh, look at this. Oh, what's wrong? Why are you crying? It looks like my daughter just had some sort of issue. Hey, do you want to stay here with me? Yeah? Okay, that's great. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Okay, so I'm taking the base here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the floor, just like this. Okay, make sure you guys can see this. And it looks like I can just take this part of the stand and put it straight into the base. Okay, this is great. Okay, so the stand is like this so far. This is the stand so far. I'm gonna lock the base, it's locked. And you can see, there it is. The 3 feet and the main post. Okay, so here we have the arm, and we have a couple of, they call these in the industry gobo heads. These guys here, gobo heads. Wow, they're loose. Let me just make sure they're not gonna fall down. One here, one here. So this is the arm attachment I was talking about that really gives you a lot more options of where to angle your lights, how to put your lights out further, how to put whatever you like out here. The gobo head will hold whatever it is you're trying to put in there. So let's take this. Okay, take this guy here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one gobo head on this side. And I'm gonna attach here, this is called the knuckle, this part here. So my daughter's having a rough time right now. She, I don't know what's going on, some big problems. But I'm gonna keep going and see what happens here. Okay, so I can put this arm onto the top. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys that again. Okay, so we have your arm, and I put it through the knuckle. So I threaded it through the knuckle. Okay, there we go. Wow, that's some bad screaming. Okay, I gotta get this done. Okay, so this comes down like this if you want. This is actually really easy to put together. It's not really that much of a hassle. I thought I'd have to like screw things together and put little small little doodads together, but it's all been pretty much put together already. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll show you the lights that I can put on here. Yeah, and you got someone sitting under there. Of course, this is too low, and you can do a nice little backlight. Okay, so overall, from what I feel, it seems pretty good. It seems, you know, it's not the top of the line. Doesn't feel as rigid or as strong as, like I said, a Matthews C-stand, but on the whole, it definitely does what it needs to do, and it's so far from what I've seen, very secure, hefty, and really easy to manipulate. So. Yeah, there you go. There's your Neewer heavy-duty C-stand, and I'm gonna say, yeah, thumbs up to this guy. All right, thanks for watching.